Welcome to Electronic Cutting with Icing Images. Today we are doing a Valentine's cupcake topper tutorial. In part 1, I will show you how to set up design space for all your Cricut cutting projects in this tutorial. Let's add a circle and resize it to 2.25 inches using the sizing bar at the top of our page. Now select the circle, right-click, and copy and then paste this circle 2 more times on your work screen. In this screen, make sure to arrange your shapes where the rolled fondant lays, and don't forget to skip the first inch on the side, known as the gray area. For your material, select Satin Ice Fondant or Fondant Cut Setting on your design space. And next, follow the prompts on the screen and ensure your Cricut is connected and powered on. Now, let's add an image from Design Space. In the search bar, I am searching for lace. Pick the one you like and size it smaller than your round fondant circles so we can fit it inside the circle. We will also add a smaller circle, and then we need to make sure that both of our pieces, our circle and our lace, are set to cut only. Now let's select both figures, and while highlighted, click Attach at the bottom to make sure both figures cut in the same project. Now let's move our figures 1 inch away from the edge of the mat. For this next part, make sure your setting wheel is set to paper and follow the prompts on the screen to begin cutting. Remember, when cutting wafer paper and flex frost, we will always be using the fine point blade and the paper setting. Let's begin by selecting an image of lines uploaded from our design space. Next, make sure you make the image smaller to fit to your cake toppers. And as always, remember to adjust your image in this step. Make sure that your settings wheel is set to paper, and now let's follow the prompts on the screen. Here we're selecting our bow template. Once we have our template, let's resize our bows to fit on our cake toppers. And since we are doing more than 2 bows, let's copy and paste our current template to duplicate it. Next, select your templates and attach them to make sure they cut in the same project. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to watch part 2 of this tutorial.